Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Here also, we need to take the code. For how I will go and take the code. Suppose if I am taking something as a low credit. Let me go and take. I am not giving any space. Enter 2 characters. And here I am taking. The name label as location area. I need to have the value from the foundation of it. For that I need to get the code. From where I will get the code. Locations. Define it in where. It is in data model. Correct. In which data model it is defined. It is defined in the corporate data model. Right. When I will open the XML, let me open the XML and I will share it to you. You can see. In the XML, because this topic, which we have already covered earlier, I will go to the location. Where is the location? Now this is the location. Right. Code is nothing but the ID. Right. Is the location, but here you can see the ID. I will copy this because this will be the code for me. And again, I will go back into my system. And here is my system visible. And I will paste it here. The code, because the code only, I went into the XL. I will go there and I will click on done. And I will click on save. Once it is being done, then I will go and refresh it once. Now you can see location area. And location area you can see here. All the locations will be coming here. Where it is defined. Manage of your pay structure. Correct. This is another scenario where I am trying to create a custom field. And that custom field, I want that field should behave as a foundation object. Because I want the values of the foundation object should be populating in that field. That is the reason I have taken the data type as foundation object. And when I am taking as a foundation object, I should have a valid value source. That I need to take it, the code. I need to paste it here for the field for the mapping. And after that I will save it. The same thing will be reflecting in the manage data. When I go into the business unit and I see the field will be showing. And the field will be having the value of the foundation object. Is it clear? This is another way of exploring any of the custom field with the help of the data types. I just created it and I am just deleting it that I want to make it back to normal. Here we comes to an end of the one part of the MDF. That is, we have discussed the above part, all the coded effective rating. As well as we have also discussed about the fields also. That is, this is the standard one which we have discussed. The length maximum up to 255. We can able to go and take and various type of data types. And in the details, we have all the field properties or the attributes which we see, where we can able to play with it. Most importantly, the length, the required mandatory or not mandatory, and also the visibility of the field. The label of the field. All these things we can able to control from this section. This is all about the today's session which we have discussed. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.